Colleague Megha Sharma has exclusively spoken to Nepal's Foreign Minister Shishir Khanal amid his visit to India. Let's take a look at it, viewers.
You're watching NewsX. Right now with me is the Nepalese Foreign Minister. This is his first visit. Thank you very much for speaking to us on NewsX. My first question to you about your meeting with the Foreign Minister of India. You said Nepal does not carry any past baggage. What do you mean by that?
The party that I represent, Rashtriya Swatantra Party, has been less than 4-year-old, even as a party. And people who are a part of party come from very professional background. So we want to look at India not from the lens of friction in geopolitics, but from the lens of opportunity. We don't want to be burdened by certain ideological spectrum, but want to be seen from the perspective of creating opportunity for our young people, to create opportunity for our economic growth. So that's the primary message that I was delivering.
Talking about the border issues, there have been territorial issues. There has been at this point of time a lot of controversy raised about whether Nepal is seeking UK intervention, whether Nepal is seeking Chinese intervention in the bilateral matters of India and Nepal. Would you like to say something on that?
Responded earlier as well. So we have expressed our concern for the agreement that India and China had reached on the matter. We have sent official diplomatic route, and Indian government has also responded. Basically, what on the both sides, there is a spirit of collaboration. There is a desire to want to solve any outstanding issue, including boundary issues, through bilateral mechanism and discussions.
I also want to ask you about the global concern that the world is at this point of time dealing with, the war that is happening. India has been coming out in help for Nepal to provide fuel, fertilizers. How do you see India and Nepal cooperating in the future as well to fight these global uncertainties?
Yesterday, with External Affairs Ministers and our delegation discussed about collaboration in multilateral forums. Over the last many years, India and Nepal has always collaborated in these many of the issues of global importance. I've expressed gratitude to Government of India for ensuring a supply of fuel to Nepal despite challenges. I've expressed our thankfulness for Government of India for working to ensure that we get fertilizer because the planting seasons are coming, and we've received assurances as well. But on all of these issues, we have a very robust mechanisms, and we collaborate a lot as well.
And also, in Nepal, of course, Kushal has had these back-to-back victories, the centuries that he has made at the international 20 cricket matches. What do you have to say?
We're very proud of how our team has played. We discussed about cricket collaboration between the two countries. Some of the initiatives have already started. I've expressed to External Affairs Minister who loves cricket that we hope to see India A team play in Kathmandu very soon.
Also, there was news about this miraculous recovery of Dawa Sherpa. His life was saved at the Mount Everest. What message would you send to the family, and how can we further encourage such brave people?
These mountaineering comes with a lot of challenges. We are on cognizant of the fact, but we're very happy to see him rescued now. And again, climbing mountains, going to the highest altitude do come with challenges, but we are prepared to provide any support that is required. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir, for talking.